Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and today's video was just for the being a communication skills upon the topic. This topic was not to be so much important as because I just coming to this platform to say improving my communication skills. So that this was not I was calculating the date or the day, how many days I have talked, but let's suppose today was the initial day that I have to talk with the front of camera and improving my self-confidence, because the self-confidence was so much dedication was required to say something anything about in front of camera, in front of any people that need so much dedication, or how longer you have to speak anything or the information that you have to deliver in front of anyone. This was matter a lot, so that how it could be inspiring me. Now coming to my point that I have from longer time I use my smartphone as a device that can use the internet services by using the 5G service. From past of the time I have the 4G service. I use the my main goal is to utilize the all over the data and nothing than else. But today's journey I basically used so that I really like to perform myself in front of camera to improve my communication skills, also to my self confidence. Okay, this was not to be a small journey, but also I have to mention that one of the another thing that really motivates me, the thing that the data that I have that was wasted. So that whenever I record the videos from more than 1 GB, 2 GB, 5 GB, 10 GB, that requires a lot of data. So that this inspires me to upload the YouTube videos that help me to grow up with myself. And how I know that this was becoming a best lesson for myself. So that this journey was becoming a very helpful for me, and I know that the communication was not too pretty and not to be good, and what the topic that I have to speak, and what the storytelling, what the script that was I have told was not to be in proper way. But don't worry about it, I was just speaking everything, just saying everything, just that delivering every information that I have, because I wanted to become a graphic designer who was becoming a graphic designer who have the best of the skills, such as designing skills, best of the communication skill, how to deal with the people, how to speak in front of the camera, speaking in YouTube channel, how to guide people, and many more things, many more skills. First of all, we have to discuss about everything that in our mind. The social media creation was so much important, because let's suppose that if your work was so much good, or so much say that best of your work, but the only thing is that the only problem with yourself, that only single problem that people don't know you. And whenever people don't know you, this was a very uh, biggest problem for yourself. Why is the biggest problem? Because if you know the skills and you cannot pay by the people, pay by the client, pay by the fellow YouTubers, fellow client, but so that your skill level was zero. Let's suppose that a student who studied for more than 12 hours, more than 8 hours regularly a day, but he cannot give the exam. The work that he had done was totally wasted. So that whenever you are a designer, or you have to be do anything, any social skills, or have that you have any creative skills, anything, just to share with the public, so that they can attract you, they can purchase your thumbnails, they can purchase your PhD files, many more things. So that how it could be, because everything only thing is that you have to connect with people. Whenever you connect with people, the everything that in your mind, that the people will forget everything yourself and just wait for the video. So that how it could motivates me. And now coming to the point, I was not to be from past of the videos, I was so much sad with myself that I was not doing the perfect journey. But currently my time was launched, and I was coming to this platform, that I was not to be suffocated as a so much self-doubted, but because I know that I have that potential, I can do such thing, I have that potential, I can do much better than that. So that I never forget it about myself, that I cannot do anything and much more skills that I have. So that I don't discuss anything about, but the only reason that I have was I can do it. I will. I have. And let's coming to my own personal matter. From past of the month, I have earned more than 6 to 7 thousand approximately from the tuition. But currently, my earning was totally dropped up to 1900 because of the single reason I was not teaching the students, but because in this time I was go for the tuition at 3 o'clock in the evening and come at home at 9 o'clock in the evening, so that my maximum of the time that the creative struggle that I have to do, just record the video, just to say something, that maximum outcome that was coming in with myself in the evenings, that was wasted. And in the daytime I was so much bored and not to be dedicated YouTube videos coming to this time, and something so much busy in this time, so that I decided or dedicated to say that no, this was not a right time to do a right thing, so that this was the time to take a risk. I know that I was not doing very well, but for future time I can do very well in the tuitions. I know I can earn more than 10,000, but currently I have to focus upon my skills, my basic needs, what I have to do. Because for earning 10,000 for the year, that was not a proper growth for myself. And I know that no, the change that I have to put it over myself was just to focus about my goals and the dreams that I have assumed in my dreams. And just because whenever you have the dreams just for the sleeping, this was not to be kind to be successful, and this could not be happening. The only dreams that you have to be done only whenever you have sacrifice your sleep time, just focus everything, sacrifice your family time, and just to focus upon your work and doing maximum outcome for your work, so that then you can achieve your goals, achieve your information that you wanted to greet. Because let's suppose that the people every time says that I have not this, I have not this, I have not get the education level, right to education level from this background, this school, I have not get education in the platform of big let's suppose that coming to my journey, I was study in DAV public school. Whenever I have the education, better education level for the thinking, better thinking level, but just to achievable. But after the time I recognize myself that this was not to be appropriate, it will be improved further and much more improving and much to be growth with myself. So that this lesson was so much depressing, and I know that how it could be changeable. The only reason, the only possible outcome with myself, that just to follow the guidelines and speak everything about myself. I know that I was missed up the point because of my brain was set up from one point to another point by overthinking, so that it was missable. But don't worry about it, it was a journey. Sorry for wait for the 2 minutes. ah let's coming to the point that the coming of creative journey. uh, Now coming to the point that from past of the time I recognize myself that when I was not earning single rupee from my creative journey, then I was begged toward myself that I was a beginner, I was a learner, and I have no much skills. I was not earning a single rupee. Whenever I teach the student, in my mind that it's the time to take a risk. I know that the earning will drop, I know, but I can learn, I can learn everything, I can do everything. But I can do first of all for by after that, from most of the time I know that many of the fellow YouTuber, I see them, they call that we don't have such thing, but we can achieve everything. Because one of the star called Nani, who was the Indian actor, so I watch his movie and get something informative or informable information that in this platform, when he was going to filming industry, he recognized himself that whenever I have earned, I was not becoming to be an actor, I was just to coming into the filming career and doing some characteristics, very much characters that play in the theater. And they say that let people say that the interviewer called him that whenever, let's suppose that if you are not successful towards your job, then what you would and who are you become. So that the answer was, I know that there was having possible maximum 99% possibility that I was not becoming to be the part of the this industry, but I know that whenever I was into the love of cinema, I know that I was not to becoming to this kind of people, but I know I was definitely work in some place of the filmization. So that I love because the only thing that whenever you have love with your passion or the career, then you have to follow the everything guides that you have discussed, so that no matters how the journey is to be the financial independence or not to be so much important, but the only thing is that the important property. Mm. Let's coming to the another point that how it could be self motivated about the another topic. The only reason was that not to be called as the motivation. The only thing is that the discipline that you have to put it over the videos, the put it over the any of the skills that you have. Let's suppose that study by regular study, it was a very boring task, but by doing it again and again, it was a so much difficult for them, and by passing with the time with the parents was so much difficult for them. But no, don't worry about it, but you have to focus about yourself that I can do it, I can just because why you are, let's suppose anyone can do study, anyone who can do the graphic designing skills, anything, let's suppose any work, any skills, the purpose behind that was, what was the purpose, what is the reason that motivates really to do the work again really for the future time. The boring things, the only reason was to give happiness toward your parents and to do something for your parents, or to the create something influence into the public. So that this was the important topic. Important not to say the topic, but the important lesson that we have. The coming to another point, that the important lesson with ourselves, that just to be self-aware of everything and just to not fear of failure or just not fear of people. Because whenever I record many of the people that coming in front of me from the this place, I was get hesitated and I was not influently speak it out. But the only thing is that people don't care about yourself. I know that many people care about yourself, but only thing that with yourself, that just to focus about what to do and what to do not. So that this was an important session, and I know that I wanted to speak many more time. I know that the video was shooted in 4K, approximately more than 2 GB was stocked, but I wanted to more than 5 GB of the video, so that the another conversation was stopped. Wait for the minute, I have to watch how minute time was happened. Now back to record the video. Just taking small break because I need to know that how much time I have record, so that don't worry about it. I think it will be more than 13 minutes 14 minutes, but I record the video for more than 30 minutes, so that this called me that huge time to talk with myself everything that let's suppose that many of the people say that we have no friends, no friend circle, we are just supposing that we are not to be busy in life. So that whenever it's just a single thing that when you are so much busy in your life, you don't need the friends circle. So that many of my friends such as Vineet, Mohit, Rahul just escaping from the world and doing their own jobs, such as doing the colleges, schools, everything. But my own journey was to just to become a creative skills by learning YouTube videos, making the videos. I know that I have not a good editor. I was a very bad editor, but I know that by influencing, by talking with myself, by talking in front of the camera, I know that I can create the change. I will do such a thing. So let's coming to the point that whenever my mind says that according to the atomic habit, we have to put it over a small goals, that whenever you have time, when you get the time, just you have to focus about yourself, just to record the 30-minute session of video. Because let's suppose that if you have 1 hour every day, then you have given 7 hour in a week. And sorry to say, 7 3 ja 210 hour in a month. So that uh, not 210, approximately. Sorry, my calculation speed was decreases. And let's come to the point that from past of the time, let's remove the past, let's coming to the future, that what can I change into the future from my past of the videos. I will every time I will say that coming to my past of the videos, I see my past of the videos, watch my past of the videos, I talk about that I do the mistakes, but what was the precaution and what was the changes that I can predict or that can occur in with myself. Let's coming to the point that the changes that would become today's video, not recording the short video, but every day I record the short video by completing my whole day work. There includes first of the fall that 30-minute English conversation, 30-minute Hindi conversation, a book reading called any of the book of novel that help in the self improvement and self growth book. Fourth thing is so much important, that the fourth important skills that you have to do, Photoshop, doing the work at regularly, even Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, no matter anything, the 4 hour of work was mandatory anyhow. It couldn't matter that, but you have to do it focusedly. And the fifth thing is that videos, the videos was so much important, short video was so much important, because I have to know the editing skills and thing. And the sixth thing is that by cold outreaching for the internship, I know that I have gained lots of skills. This was let's suppose that thick thak, not to be so much greater, but thick thak approximately. And that's the time I can approach for the internship, for growth for the internship, and doing so much small skills, because I know that it was needed so much mandatory. Whenever I not recognize with myself that I cannot do it, many people say that every people can do that. There's many work such as YouTube, freelancing, by doing gym, by doing have watching the physical health, many things at a time. They can do more than 3 to 4 walks, 5 to 6 walk. But how they can, the only reason was on the only reason behind the consistency and the management of time was so much matter. So that according to my time, I recognize with myself that the how to manage time. So that for getting managing the time, I really find out the topic or the point that how to manage. The only thing is that just whenever you have to wake up in the morning or whenever you go to sleep, you have to fix your mind that for the work that you have to do, so that whenever you get to sleep, whenever you get to wake up in the morning, whenever you can do everything by, let's suppose that whenever you wake up in the morning, you have a thinking and approach toward yourself that you can do such thing, that then you, whenever you're morning, you can do the work. But from every day my goal was just to wake up, use open the laptop, watching the movie explanation, watching the small Instagram reels. That was so much distracting point. The only thing that you have to do, wake up your smartphone on the smartwatch for dedicationally for our work. From today's timing, I know that I cannot work in the midnight or night, I know that, but today I cannot do any of the work in Photoshop. So that today's topic, today's time was just to do more approximately 4 hours of work. It doesn't matter how longer I do or not do. There is 24 hour. Whenever I was sleeping the night, day, doesn't matter, but I have to do it. Not to just to becoming a khayalu pulao. Let's by doing the overthinking that I can do this in my mind. This was so much depressing. You have to be focused. So that yeah, let's coming to do, just wait for the coming to the line, because the electricity was gone up for the rain. From few hours ago the rain was happening, so that the line was cut down, and from past of the days line was goes again and again. So that this was so much depressing, but don't worry about it. This will be sort out with a very say very sort of the time, but don't worry about it. And let's come to the point that what could be the best version. Let's suppose, not to be suppose, I have to best communicator, best skills, the best knowledge that I have. So that I have to the only thing is that I have to improve my communication skills with my voice. I know that whenever I speak with my tongue or with my voice from inside, then the deeper voice was coming. And so that the deeper voice whenever comes, the language that I had delivered was so much inflammable or influenceable. So that many more time I have to focus upon the speaking level of my English conversation by the voice. Let's suppose we have to speak from the deeper from the chest. Let's suppose I will talk with myself, not from the, as I say, from the chest, then my voice was this. So whenever you have to speak in from the voice, you have to just slowly you can do it. But don't worry about it. You can pausely, slowly you can say the any of the thing. Let's suppose English was not your native language, but you can speak it by slowly. You can grab it, but don't worry about it. You have to do it. This is for today's video, and today I record the short video. Thanks.